kwaziso or greetings are extremely important in the Shona culture, and as such, there are loads of them. Pachipamwe, welcome to the greetings lesson. There is a whole greeting culture and etiquette which we will cover in a future lesson. For now, I will teach you the basics. Most greetings take the form of a set exchange of statements. This can be abbreviated, skipped, or mixed up as needed. General greetings for people you know well or people you're just meeting in passing can be moro or hesi, which is a casual form of saying hello, hi. Moroi would be the polite form of saying hello. Kanjani is hi there, how's it going? Muri raiti is are you alright? Muri bo, are you well? Are you okay?
Here I have used the plural casual greetings, which are more polite than singular casual forms. To make these singular, which also makes them less polite, we remove the plural prefix m and or the plural ending e. For example, muri bo becomes uri bo. Muri right becomes uri right. Moroi becomes moro.
If you're meeting someone in a formal setting or someone very senior to you, it's a very good idea to ask to greet them with a phrase such as tiku kwazi se or kwaziwai. The response to tiku kwazi se or kwaziwai is kwaziwai. Time greetings are very similar to time greetings in English. One can say good morning or morning to mean good morning, such as mangwanani or mangwanani akanaka. This greeting, though, is generally accompanied by asking a person how they slept, so marara se, or how they woke up, mamuka se. The response would be mangwanani ndamuka wa mukao informally, or mangwanani tamuka mamukao formally. Likewise, in the afternoon, a person would say masikati or masikati akanaka. Masikati masquera se. Response, maskati, tasquera masquerao, aiwa tasquera. In the evening, maneru akanaka, maneru masquera se, tasquera masquerao, isu tasquera. Shaking hands and clapping is a very important part of greeting culture. We shake with the right hand and the right hand only. And to show even more respect, one may place their left hand below their right hand elbow when preferring a hand. Women clap with crossed cupped hands in order to make a sound. And men clap with parallel cupped hands in order to make a sound. The last greeting is saying goodbye. If you are going away, you would say to the people remaining behind, chisarai or sarai rakanaka. If you are, on the other hand, staying, you would say chifambai or fambai rakanaka. These are your basic greetings and will get you going a very long way. The PDF coming with this class has got a few more greeting phrases that you can learn to help you get going. Download it on the website speakshona.com. Tonana.